Lisa Briggs from the Bruce Company is back answering your plant and garden questions today. Again, email those to tips@channel3000.com. We don't have many in today, so if you have one, please send it in. First one, Patricia asked, I planted daylily seeds about 2 weeks ago and nothing is coming up. I'm using potting mix and vermiculite for a medium. Lisa, is this a common thing to see these not coming in?
Well, I will say that, Patricia, that usually when people are planting daylilies, they're planting them directly from the tubers, which is a type of bulb. It's a lot easier. So if you're using seeds, whether you purchased them or whether you had daylilies that you were saving seed from, it takes quite a bit longer and also requires a process called stratification, which is a cold period. And they need about 5 weeks of being in a cool place. So if you haven't done that, that's definitely going to slow down the process. So maybe you want to put your pots in like a cooler and on the inside corner of a garage where it gets cold but not freezing. If they have been stratified, it can take up to 5 or 6 weeks for them to germinate and for you to see seedlings. It is just a process where patience is definitely the watchword.
That's the word of the day. Okay, next question we just got in. What do you fertilize a Christmas cactus with and when?
So Christmas cactus, you can just use a bloom boosting fertilizer, and the time you want to do that is sort of at the end of the summer. Christmas cactus depend way more on day length to spur the production of flower buds, so you want to be sure that you can leave it outside until it gets nights are in the 40s. If you have it in the house, you want to put it in like a bedroom where it gets sun during the day and light during the day, but it's not a room that's used at night because it needs that sort of darkness followed by daylight, followed by darkness at that certain time, that shortening day length, and that is what triggers the flower bud production.
Okay, and we got time for one more question. Cindy writes, I have a very healthy money tree. I actually didn't know money trees are real. Okay, well, leaves are turning yellow and falling off. New shoots are curling up. Got some money tree soil to replant it with. Is this the right thing to do right now?
Well, this is not the optimum time to be repotting. You'd really want to wait until the end of February. I would check and make sure that you're not overwatering. A lot of those kinds of plants don't have like hugely like big root systems, and so if you overwater, it will sometimes show symptoms that look remarkably like underwatering. So make sure that it dries out a little bit between waterings, and then I'd also watch the light.
Okay, and actually we do have one more question that we can fit in here. I have a bulb that has been decoratively glued to a log. Is it salvageable to keep?
A bulb that's been glued to a log. Sometimes I will see like air plants are decoratively glued to the log, or sometimes like succulents, they'll pot them up in little parts of the, as far as a bulb, without knowing what kind of bulb it is, I can't answer the question, but take a photo with your phone and email it to plantdesk@brucecompany.com. And once we know exactly what you've got, then we can answer your question.
All right, that's all the time we got now.